What if I told you there's a car that makes a Bentley feel outdated, a Tesla feel unrefined,
and a Rolls-Royce feels stuck in the past? You'd think I was exaggerating.
Watch what happens when I press this accelerator.
Welcome to the 2026 Luxury Verse Ether.
3 clauses: no cameras, no recording, and if I scratch the paint.
I owe the company $4.5 million.
This isn't just a car test. This is an upload into an ecosystem.
The world has been whispering about the verse for 2 years. Today, the whispering stops. Let's meet the machine. The first thing that hits you isn't the shape. It's the silence. Walking up to it, the obsidian liquid paint seems to drink the light. It's a proprietary nanotechnology capable of self-healing scratches in minutes.
The car sits low and wide, spanning nearly 20 feet.
Yet, notice the lack of door handles. There are none.
As my biometric data syncs via my watch. The massive suicide door glides open like a ghost.
It's an invitation to a different world. Let's step inside the sanctuary of 2026.
I slid into the driver's seat. But we shouldn't call them seats.
These are gravitational cradles using pressure mapping.
It adjusts to my spine's curvature in milliseconds.
The material isn't leather, it's mycelium silk.
Lab-grown, sustainable, yet stronger than Kevlar. Then the car spoke, not from a speaker, but from the glass.
Welcome, David.
This is the Verse OS.
Powered by a dedicated quantum chipset in the trunk.
It detected my cortisol levels were high.
So it adjusted the cabin ionization and lighting to focus calm.
The dashboard is gone. It's a seamless OLED curve. When off, it looks like polished onyx. When on, it is a 16K window into the world.
I press the sapphire glass starter button.
No engine roar. Just a low-frequency hum in my chest.
I pulled out of the hangar and onto the tarmac.
The stats on this thing are terrifying.
It uses graphene solid-state batteries.
I pointed the nose toward Highway 1 and floored it.
Zero to 60 happens in 1.9 seconds.
But the car didn't jerk. It preloaded the suspension.
It felt like being fired from a railgun in a pillowcase.
I was doing 120 miles an hour before I reached the end of the runway.
Merging onto the Pacific Coast Highway.
Starlight, the car showcased its shapeshifter aerodynamics. Above 80 miles per hour, the tail physically extends.
Hydraulic actuators lengthen the car by 6 inches.
The drag coefficient drops to a startling 0.17. As I wound through the cliffs of Big Sur.
The windshield is a full augmented reality canvas.
Hazards are highlighted in a subtle amber glow. Verse informed me traffic was building.
So I engaged lounge mode.
Watch this. The steering yoke retracts. The seat slides back. This is level 5 autonomy.
The car navigated the cliffs with mathematical perfection. The dashboard transformed into a cinema screen.
And then it made me coffee.
Water harvested from the air, purified 7 times. Night fell, the traffic cleared.
I wanted to see what $4.5 million bought in adrenaline.
Verse, enable apex mode. The seat bolsters tightened around my ribs. The suspension dropped the car 1.5 inches. Apex mode engaged. Traction control limited. I took manual control.
The steering was telepathic.
It's a heavy car, but the torque vectoring makes it dance. I could feel the outer rear wheel pushing. It defies physics. Zero body roll. Like a roller coaster, magnetically attached to the ground. The Matrix laser phosphor headlights painted the road. When a car approached, the beams split.
I decided to stop at a high-end charger in Santa Barbara.
No app. No credit card.
The car negotiated the price via the Verse blockchain.
And it charged wirelessly via induction pads.
While I waited, my phone buzzed.
The car had told my house I was coming.
Preheating jacuzzi. Ordering sushi.
This isn't a tool. It's the command center of your life.
I pulled into my driveway in LA just after midnight.
Usually, a 4-hour drive leaves you tired.
But the ether's atmospheric control left me rested.
I stepped out, and the doors sealed shut.
The car darkened, entering sleep mode.
For the US market, this is the end game.
It renders the Rolls-Royce Spectre obsolete.
They are merely cars. The ether is a sentient extension of you.
It is priced like a small island.
Drives like a fighter jet.
And cares for you like a mother.
Oh, can I play? I realized the hardest part wasn't driving it.
The hardest part is realizing that tomorrow
I have to give it back.